Alright guys, what is going on? It's Jack here. Now, I know this video seems a bit mysterious, a little dark in the light here, but I've just come back from the gym and it's about 11 o'clock at night, and I just needed to put this video out here, and by the time you see it, it'll probably be in the morning it's posted. But a video that I was just going through, or a couple of videos actually that I was looking through, and I have for the past few months, at least probably for the past 6 months at least, I've seen comments and videos and just comments on interviews and things like that in regards to courses. And I don't know if it's the same in Australia, but in America there seems to be a lot of negative light, a lot of negative sort of preset mindsets on courses, and I can understand some of their points. Now, I'm not going to be biased about this just because I sell a course, but I just am trying to recommend to you guys to think of it from both sides. So the main argument that I see with courses, now let's just say for this instance, I'm talking about a course that I saw today on a guy that I think his name was Ricky Gutierrez, I think, and he trades stocks and he does day trading, and he's made quite a bit of money day trading, and he profits anywhere from, you know, 1,000 to 3,000 per day day trading. And he was in an interview, and he was interviewed by, I can't remember the guy's name, but he interviews a lot of people, a lot of millionaires and a lot of successful people, and a lot of them have courses, and I think he does it on purpose because, you know, he 3 times in this interview he asked them, okay, so if you're making so much money doing this, why make a course? And this is the argument for a lot of people. They say, hey, look, if you're making so much money doing this, why do you make a course? What's the point of making a course? It's just a big scam. You know, it's all a scam. There's no need to charge people for a course, and it's just, you know, it's just silly. It's all a scam. And I know this isn't all of you. No, I know that. And it seems to be a lot of people in America, it seems to be a lot of angry people in America talking about, why do you need to charge people for a course if you're making so much money? Now, I'm going to tell you guys this from my perspective. So, obviously, you know a bit about the story of me, about how I started selling on Amazon, and you know, how I found success selling on Amazon. And it took work, it took a lot of work. And like, if you guys don't know now, I don't sell as much on Amazon. I still sell. The only reason I am selling and I'm growing, you know, my presence trying to grow my presence on the Aussie market and still sell on the American market is to basically, you know, one reason is to still learn myself any other bits and pieces that I haven't learned. In saying that, I've learned a lot from my students and what they're going through. But the other reason is to show you guys that it can be done. Now, basically the main point of this is that, you know, what a lot of people say was, you know, they haven't said to me yet, but some people might say is, you know, if you're making so much on Amazon, why do you need to make an Amazon course? And I can understand where they're coming from, in the sense that, yes, there are some people out there that might make courses, you know, for, you know, they might be a scam. They might make a course, you know, just because it's the thing to do, to make a course to make money. Now, in my perspective and the way I see it, is the sole reason, there's 2 reasons, and I'm going to be brutally honest with this. I'm always honest with you guys. Is for one, the reason that I wanted to make a course was to help people and to stop them from making the same mistakes I did, giving them a set out blueprint that they can use to then go out and create their own Amazon business. And the reason too is because, yes, it does make me money. So teaching other people makes me money. Of course, I'm going to be blunt about that. That's my main business now. My main business now is teaching other people. And some people might look at that and think, you know, oh, well, you know, that says it all. He's just done a course, you know, he's just created a course, and that's how he makes his money. What you guys don't understand is that I want to help people. I want to help people find, you know, their way through Amazon selling, through my experiences, teaching them. And I want people to grow their Amazon accounts bigger than what I ever have. I want people to double, triple, 10 times what I have, because, you know, the fact of it all is, when they're more successful, I'm more successful, and I can reach more people teaching them than I can just selling on Amazon alone. So really, a lot of these people that are talking against courses, most of the time they're just angry people who just, you know, they've given up on themselves, and the only way to validate this, the only way to validate that they haven't accomplished anything, is to bring other people down in their courses. Now, you know, from them creating their courses. Now, I know some people out there might have had a bad experience with a course, but you really need to see it from other people's points of view. And the best thing I can do for you guys is to show you guys, you know, how genuine I am by helping out, by putting myself out there as much as I can, by being honest to you guys. And really the honesty of it is just I want to help as many people as I can. Now, I know that might sound a bit cliche, but you're only going to see it through my actions and through what I do for other people and through how much I help them, because I really want them to grow. So really, you know, when it comes down to it, I just really want you guys, and again, I'm speaking off the top of my head with this. You know, these videos are never planned, but this has just been what my thought process has been. But really, it's a win-win situation. If I'm having people, if I have a course that people pay for, you know, let's just say if it's anywhere from $300 to $500, they pay for the course. If they end up making 10K in sales on their Amazon, do you think that the knowledge and what they've gained from it is worth it? Of course it is. And they can take that knowledge with them for a lifetime. And it doesn't just have to be with Amazon selling. It could give them an idea, a new outlook for an online business, for an e-com adventure of their own. And they can take that knowledge as far as they want. Now, some people might say, well, you know, if it's so helpful, why do you need to make people pay for it? Why can't you just release it for free? Now, again, if you were to release it for free, it's really not going to dictate how much time and effort people are going to put into it. If I set a price on it and people are willing to put in their time and effort, invest their own money, invest their own time and effort into something like a course that I've released, then I know that they're going to be serious about it as well. There's been instances where people have released free courses, or they've released their course for $1, I don't know how long for, but they've gotten a lot of people in that are not serious about it. They just go into it and they look at the content, they don't really try, and they just go, it doesn't work, it's just a shitty course. Really, with something like this, I know the value of it, and I want people to get the most out of it. So when it comes down to it, you know, all I can do for you guys is just try and make you guys, or help you guys to see my perspective from when it comes to, you know, courses. Now, I'm not saying that you should trust everyone that releases a course. I can do my best to help you guys, you know, to earn my trust by showing you my what's the word for it? I can't. It's a genuine. I can't say it. Genuinity. I don't know, but just showing you guys how genuine I am by my actions, by showing up every day, by helping you guys, helping the students, helping the members, helping the subscribers as much as I can, and growing a community. It's the best I can do for you guys. But all I'm saying to you now, I'm not saying this as a ploy for you guys to buy my course. I'm never going to force anyone to buy anything that I put out, whether it's a course, whether it's a book, you know, down the line, who knows, whether it's anything, you know. I am just here to try and guide you guys in the right direction, trying to help you guys make the right decisions, going by my prior experience, going by, you know, all the experiences I've had, and just being as honest as I can. And really, when it comes down to it, I'm going to end this video in a second, but the last point that I want to drive to you guys is, look, at the end of the day, if someone is a scam artist, if someone is not genuine, if someone is making these online courses or making online content that you need to pay for just for the money, just so they can take the money and run, they're going to be exposed, and the market is going to chew them up and spit them right out in time. That's how the market works, and they're going to be brought down in time anyway. So, you know, I know that I'm genuine. I know that I'm here to help you guys out, and the market's going to respond to that. And for people who aren't genuine, for people who are just out there to grab your money and run, they will be exposed in time. Just so you guys know, that's how it works. That's how the market works. And I know what I'm about, and you guys, you know, I want you guys to know what you're about. So, like I said, this isn't just a video I'm putting out to just ploy you guys to buy my stuff. I'm just hoping to point you guys in the right direction with all this. So apart from that, guys, I know this was a bit of a lengthy video, a bit of a ranty video, but I needed to put it out there to you guys. I hope this can speak to you on some level. And look, I just want you guys to go out there and make the right decisions and help you guys as much as I can. So apart from that, guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful day or night wherever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.